21st Davao City Councilors, Deputy Mayors, Attorney Francis Mark Layog, Davao City Administrator, Davao City Department Heads, Davao City Chinatown Development Council, Tourism Council of Davao City, Security Clusters, fellow government workers, gamong mga nadya skilled, nako, ganong gabi ha. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. To the Consul General of the People's Republic of China in Davao City, Honorable Zhao Shuzhen, the Davao City Filipino-Chinese community, fellow government workers, members of the academe, representatives from the private sector, and guests. If you do not know, kibaw ba mo ganitong panahon, we have been trading with China pre-colonial Philippines. So ganitong panahon, diya sa Zamboanga, naanay trade between China ug ang mga karaang tribo diya, mga tausok, mga kasagaran diya sa Zamboanga. Naanatay exchanges of culture, exchanges of whatever tanan of people. But antod karon na gihapon. But you have never seen the Chinese people attempt to colonize ang Pilipinas. And I'm sure it will stay the same way antod karon and for years to come. So, ganimang narrative that is being pushed, I do not know by whom, but I do not want to specifically point out kung kinisa mang diha. Well, they are in government. I hate to see the current ambassador, having to deal with behavior that is unfriendly towards a loving neighbor and a peaceful neighbor towards the Philippines. So I hope my wishes would be it would calm down and they would talk in a peaceful ways, or in a peaceful manner, communicate in a peaceful manner. Because there is no only way for us to move forward, but to promote mutual benefit from both sides. Tonight, we celebrate not only the New Year, but the long-standing relationship between Davao City and China. For tonight, we're also launching the Davao City Chinatown Coffee Table book, which chronicles the journey of the first Chinese families in Davao City and showcases the deep-rooted history of our Chinese communities. And as we stand on Bukana Bridge tonight, kining tulay nga atong ginatungtungan karong ginagamit ginaagian, gihatag ni sa tuwa sa China nga libre wa tay gigasto mo na itong timanan. As far as I can remember, it is a gift to former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte during his term. Regalo ni sa China siya siyang birthday ko, no, that is how they packaged it, but ultimately it is for the Davaoenos. So, swerte ta nga tagaan ta, kinanglan mapasalamaton ta, and we have to remember that China is a friend. They are neighbors. Dili na to gustong silingan nga kaaway nimo. Kaya silingan, tuol kay na sa imuha. Kamo, ganahan ba mo nga inyong silingan, kalaban ninyo, paggawas ninyo, magdilibakay mo, sige mag-away, mo nang di na to gusto. And in fact, we benefit from China in terms of our economy. Daga mga barato, mga palitonon, gana yung mga cellphone nga picture diya sa kuha. Kati kung dili na made in China, ang bot kong asa. Pero kinanglan ta makasabot na China has grown exponentially in the past 20 years. And I am sure that they are willing to share this growth and prosperity with the Philippines for years to come. So, mas maayo, mas daghan tag amigo, kaysa mas daghan tag kaaway. Mo nang importante kayo para ka natong tanan. So, nalipay ko, pwede rin sa Davao, assimilated na mangyot ang Chinese o mga Dabawin niyo, pati ang mga tribo. May panahon pito sa Kadayawan, aron ng Davao, naapon na sila diha, mga Chinese na ang mga tribo. Ang mga migrants kanentong panahon, kita ang mga Bisaya, mga Bulanod, daghan kayo, napoy mga Ilocano, Ilonggo. So ganing Davao is a melting pot of different cultures. So again, akong ingnon, we have strength in our diversity. Mao kini nagapag-usog sa toa, kay sa lahi-lahi na itong mga kultura o kagikan, diha ta makuha og usog. Basta ang importante, kay ang pagkahiusa o tinabangay. Mao nang karon, ganahan kay na kong gibalik-balik, bago ra na human ang eleksyon, medyo opposition ta sa administrasyon karon, ginakalaban ta nila, pero asa man ta karon, naalang gihapon ta, Dabawenyo, gabarog lang gihapon ta, o wa ta nila matumba. And as we stand on Bukana Bridge tonight, we extend our utmost gratitude to the People's Republic of China for making the bridge possible. Bukana Bridge serves as a vital part of the Davao City Coastal Road Network and the city government's goal towards modernization and infrastructure development. It stands as a monumental reminder and a symbol of the friendship between China and Davao City. Thank you. Salamat. This 2026, we welcome the year of the Fire Horse. Like its dynamic and high energy attributes, we too must also be courageous, spirited, and bold in pursuing our goals and aspirations for the year. May this new year fill us with hope and abundance as we continue to build stronger communities for a more prosperous future ahead. So mga Dabawenyo, kayod lang sa gulan ng kamay politika, ang tanan ninyong gipili katong niaging eleksyon kaya ang hukbong sa tawong lungsod. Kayod lang ta, tagaan mo namo o gobyerno na ampingan inyong kwarta o makita ninyo nga mauli sa inyo. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, kung Hey Patchoy, God bless you.